Front door replacement West Columbia is one of the smartest ways to improve curb appeal, security, and energy savings for homes and businesses across West Columbia, South Carolina. Property owners searching for replacement doors West Columbia SC often want a fast upgrade that looks great and performs in every season. And that is exactly why door replacement West Columbia, South Carolina continues to be a popular improvement near downtown West Columbia SC, State Street, and the West Columbia River District. Patio door replacement West Columbia SC adds beauty, natural light, and easier outdoor access for homes near Augusta Road, Riverwalk Park, and neighborhoods throughout West Columbia, South Carolina. Whether you need sliding glass door replacement West Columbia for a worn-out patio entrance or replacement patio doors near Lexington SC and West Columbia for a larger entertaining area, modern glass door systems help improve comfort, visibility, and efficiency. Entry door replacement. West Columbia SC gives homeowners a strong first impression while also boosting insulation and everyday safety. Many buyers looking for entry door replacement near Meeting Street, West Columbia SC, or front entry doors near Springdale want stylish options in fiberglass, steel, or wood, and custom replacement doors. West Columbia can be tailored to match traditional homes, modern builds, and renovated properties throughout the area. Storm door replacement West Columbia SC is a practical choice for homeowners who want extra protection from weather, airflow control, and another layer of security. From storm door services near Cayce West Columbia SC to insulated replacement doors West Columbia SC in established neighborhoods, storm and screen door systems can help preserve the main entry door while improving ventilation during mild South Carolina weather. Exterior door replacement West Columbia is a valuable upgrade for both residential and commercial properties needing stronger performance and a refreshed appearance. New exterior doors West Columbia are frequently installed near Sunset Boulevard, Airport Boulevard, and Triangle City, where property owners seek dependable solutions for weather exposure, traffic, and daily use in busy locations. Commercial door replacement West Columbia SC is essential for storefronts, offices, service buildings, and mixed-use properties throughout West Columbia, South Carolina. Business owners searching for commercial door replacement near Triangle City, West Columbia SC, or professional door replacement near Lexington County, West Columbia SC often need durable steel, glass, or security-focused systems that support access control, appearance, and long-term reliability. Fiberglass door replacement West Columbia is a top choice for people who want a low-maintenance, attractive, and energy-conscious entry solution. Fiberglass entry doors near Saluda River, West Columbia SC are especially popular because they handle humidity, heat, and routine wear better than many older door systems, making them an excellent fit for home door upgrades West Columbia SC. Steel door replacement West Columbia SC offers excellent strength, security, and performance for homes and businesses that need a tough exterior barrier. From steel replacement doors near Jarvis Clapman Boulevard, West Columbia SC, to commercial-grade entrances in high-traffic areas, steel doors remain a dependable option for property owners prioritizing safety, durability, and value. Wood door replacement West Columbia appeals to homeowners who love natural beauty, classic style, and custom design options. Custom doors near Airport Boulevard, West Columbia SC, and premium wood entry systems near the avenues can create a warm, elegant look that complements historic homes, updated cottages, and upscale residences across West Columbia, South Carolina. Affordable door replacement. West Columbia SC helps families and business owners upgrade damaged, outdated, or inefficient doors without overspending. If you are searching for a door company near Red Bank, West Columbia SC, or replacement doors near West Columbia River District SC, cost-effective options are available in fiberglass, steel, sliding patio doors, storm doors, and insulated exterior systems built for long-term value. Door installation and replacement West Columbia should always be handled with precision so the new unit fits correctly, seals properly, and performs as intended. Professional door installers West Columbia understand sizing, weatherproofing, threshold alignment, and door frame replacement West Columbia, which is especially important for older homes near State Street, Meeting Street, and 12th Street, where existing frames may be worn or out of square. Door frame replacement West Columbia is often necessary when moisture damage, rot, warping, or structural wear prevents a clean and secure new door installation. Homeowners needing door frame replacement near Oak Grove, West Columbia SC, or replacement doors near Lexington Medical Center, West Columbia SC can benefit from a full-service approach that addresses the frame, trim, hardware, and weather seals at the same time. Double entry doors, West Columbia SC create a dramatic, upscale entrance that instantly increases visual impact and convenience. These larger entry systems are especially attractive for custom homes, renovated brick properties, and premium residential door replacement near downtown West Columbia SC, where homeowners want a grand look with modern energy performance and secure locking features. Backdoor replacement West Columbia is an excellent way to improve household security, utility access, and weather resistance in one of the most frequently used parts of the home. Homeowners seeking backdoor replacement near South Congaree, West Columbia SC often choose insulated steel or fiberglass options that hold up well against daily use while keeping conditioned air inside. Energy-efficient doors West Columbia SC are in demand because homeowners want lower utility costs, stronger insulation, and improved comfort year-round. From energy-efficient doors near Columbia Metropolitan Airport, West Columbia SC, to insulated doors near Columbia SC West Side and West Columbia, modern replacement door systems reduce drafts, improve sealing, and help interior spaces stay cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Sliding glass door replacement West Columbia is ideal for homes that need better access to patios, decks, sunrooms, or backyards while improving ease of operation. Many property owners search for sliding door replacement near Platte Springs Road, West Columbia SC, when older patio doors become difficult to open, develop condensation, or allow outside air to affect interior comfort. Residential door replacement West Columbia covers everything from front entry upgrades to rear access doors, patio sliders, and storm door improvements for homes of every size. Whether you need replacement doors near State Street, West Columbia SC, door replacement in the Avenues, West Columbia SC, or front door installation near 12th Street, West Columbia SC, local homeowners benefit from solutions designed for style, insulation, and security. Replacement door contractors West Columbia SC help simplify the process of choosing the right product, measuring correctly, removing the old unit, and completing a clean installation. Experienced contractors serving Lexington County, Cayce, Springdale, Oak Grove, South Congaree, and West Columbia, South Carolina can recommend the best new exterior doors near Midland's Tech Beltline, West Columbia SC, or custom replacement doors West Columbia based on the property's needs. Home door upgrades West Columbia SC can transform the way a property looks and feels while increasing resale appeal and everyday convenience. From exterior doors near Sunset Boulevard, West Columbia SC, to residential door replacement near downtown West Columbia SC, upgrading to modern, insulated, and secure door systems is a smart investment for homes and businesses throughout West Columbia, South Carolina.